Students of class 6th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, that is Fundamentals of Computer. This is part 2. So let's start. Working of computer. Students, computer accept data and instruction. This is called input. It processes on data according to given instructions. After processing, computer provides results to the user. This result is called output. Dear students, we provide data to the computer. This is called input. After getting input, computer works on that particular data. This is called processing. After processing, computer gives us result. This result is called output. Fine. Okay, let's move ahead. As you can see in this diagram, this is input process output cycle. Here you can see we are giving data to the computer. This is called input, and computer is doing processing on that data and instruction. After processing, computer provides us result. This is called output, or we can say information. Fine. Let's move ahead. Now, what is data? Any type of raw information or facts and figure is called data. Data can be letters, numbers, special characters, image, commands, and user response. User response may be yes, no, or cancel. These all are data. Fine. Now, input devices. So students, what are input devices? The devices through which we can enter data into the computer are called input devices. Examples: keyboards, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone. These all are input devices. Other input devices. There are some other input devices which we use in different fields. How? Let's see. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. Data in the form of light and dark lines. This is called barcode. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books. Fine. Students, you may have seen this barcode at the back side of your book, and on the or whenever you purchase different product, you can see this barcode on the wrapper of any packet of that product. Fine. So these barcode is scanned by barcode reader. As you can see, a device through which we are scanning these barcodes. This is called barcode reader, and you all have seen this barcode reader in whenever you go for shopping in mall or any shopping complex. Whenever you are purchasing any goods, at the time of billing, the barcode reader is used to maintain or create your bill by scanning this barcode. Okay. Optical character reader. This is called OCR. Fine. What is optical character reader? Let's see. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scan the text optically, character by character, converts them into a machine readable code, and store the text on the system memory. So students, as you can see, there is a paper and some lines are printed on the paper, and through this device, that is OCR, optical character reader, we are scanning these words character by character and converting them into machine readable codes. So this device is used to read these characters optically. Fine, this is an input device. Let's move ahead to next device, smart card reader. This device you all have seen at the uh, whenever you are going for shopping, you may have seen this device at the counter of the shop. If you whenever you want to purchase anything, if you do not want to uh, if you don't have cash with you, and if you want to pay your payment through card, so this device is used to pay your bill through your debit card or credit card. So smart card reader is a special machine where we insert debit or credit card in it. The information contained by smart card is read and verified by smart card reader. It is also called extension of ATM, that is automated teller machine. Fine. So this is called smart card reader. This machine is called smart card reader. We insert our debit or credit card to pay our bills. Fine. Let's move ahead. Graphics tablet. Now what is graphics tablet? As you can see over here, there is a tablet and a pen like instrument that is called stylus. Through stylus we are making a graphic on this flat surface, and we can see graphics on the computer. So a graphics tablet, also known as digitizer or drawing tablet, or we can say it is drawing pad or digital drawing tablet. Fine, these are the various names of graphics tablet. It is a computer input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animation, and graphics with a special pen-like stylus, similar to the way a person draws image with a pencil. Students, if you want to draw some special graphics on computer, so it is very convenient tool through which you can create graphics very easily on graphics tablet. Now next device is biometrics scanner. Biometric scanner are hardware used to capture the biometric for verification of identity. These scan match against the saved database to approve or deny access of the system. In other words, biometric security means your body becomes the key to unlock your access. Students, nowadays all the organization or in offices, this biometric machine is there to get attendance of the employees. In our school, there are two biometric scanner machines are there near the reception area. Fine. When teachers are coming in the morning and when teachers are going at the departure time, they punch their uh, they punch their they have to punch their identity, means they have to, that there are two methods through which they can punch, means fingerprints, and second one is face scan. Fine. So by touching your finger, it has a database of your fingerprint and your face scan. Fine. So whenever you stand up in front of that machine capture your face and identify your face with its database, or whenever you touch your finger, it scan your fingerprint and identify your fingerprint with its database. If it is matched, it gives you access, or your attendance is done. If database is not matched, uh, it will not give you access. Fine. Okay, let's move ahead. Optical mark reader, OMR. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is especially used for checking the answer sheets of examination having multiple choice question. This is a very famous technique. Whenever competition exams are going on, we get a sheet. In that particular sheet, we need to fill answer. We get 4 or 5 option. In these given 4 option, we need to fill that one particular bubble, right answer. So this scanner, that is called optical mark reader, scan the mark which is denoted by pen or pencil. Fine. It is widely used for checking competition exams copy. Okay. Next is magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. Now what is MICR? Let's see. MICR is an input device, is generally used in banks. The bank's code numbers and checks numbers are printed on the checks with a special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. Students, if you ever seen the check, on the check there are there is a check number on each and every check with black color. Fine. But that check number is printed with special kind of magnetized ink. Fine. It is that ink is a special type of magnetized material which is recognized by this machine. So this machine is called magnetic ink character recognition. This machine can verify that check is original or is it duplicate. Fine. Next, QR codes. QR codes are new style of barcode in square shape. They can be scanned and read by using various apps in smartphone and tablets. Students, nowadays QR codes are mostly available on each and every shop, where you can scan that QR code to pay your bills. Fine. You all have seen this QR code. Let's move ahead. Processing device. The CPU, that is central processing unit, is the processing device of the computer. It processes on the given instruction and data. After processing, it provides us result or output. It also controls the operations of all parts of computer. So students, the main component of a computer, that is CPU, and it is also called a brain of computer. The work of CPU is process and give output or result to the user. It also controls the operation of all the parts of computer. So it is called processing device. So students, that's all from my side. See this video 2-3 times. Read this chapter from your book. fine, so that you can understand this chapter better. Thank you very much.